In this pepper sauce recipe, I'll share with you how to make hot sauce from fresh peppers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The ingredients for this pepper sauce are bell peppers, onions. I'll also be using some cayenne peppers and scotch bonnet peppers. I'll start by blending all the peppers to a rough texture. As I continue with this video, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and subscribe. When making spicy sauce or chili sauce at home, you need to do this one thing: blend with cooking oil, not water. This saves you a lot of time and energy and also effort. Now, after blending, this is the texture I have: rough texture. I'll set this pepper mix aside and then I'll place my pan on the cooker. Once my pan is hot, I'll pour the pepper mix into my pan. I'll proceed to rinse out the blender with little water. After doing this, I'll add some other ingredients for lovely taste, such as salt. I'll be adding seasoning. I'll also add 1 tablespoon garlic and ginger paste. I'll add some curry powder and thyme. I'll mix all of this very well, and then I will cook this sauce for a total of 45 minutes. But as I cook, I'll share with you the progress that I make as I proceed. Okay, now let me show you the sauce after about 5 minutes. This is the sauce after 5 minutes. You know, we're not even close yet. So I'll cover this and continue to cook on medium heat. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. After 10 minutes more, this is what the sauce looks like. Yes, you can see the oil is already floating, but I'm not done yet. Now this is the sauce after another 10 minutes, making 25 minutes. Okay, but we're still not done yet. Take a look at this sauce after cooking for an extra 15 minutes, making 40 minutes. This is almost done, but just a little bit more. Now take a look at this chili sauce after 45 minutes. This is what you aim for. As I continue with this video, I'm going to put side by side how the sauce looks before we started cooking, and then take a look at it right now. This is what you love, and if you like spicy food like me, you're in the right place. Make sure you try this recipe on how to make chili sauce at home, because you will like it. Now hold on, this right here is the sauce before, and take a look at it after. Delicious, lovely, tasty. I'll proceed to package all this this sauce in little bowls, because I just like them to be accessible as I go. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you like this video, if you feel that you've learned something nice in this video, please click on that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, and leave your comment. I'm simply putting some of the sauce into the small bowls, and then just to make them properly apportioned and sectioned, because I need to tell you, this sauce is very hot. Yes, it is. This is not a beginner's level kind of hot sauce. This is the real deal. Like, just a little bit of this in your food, spicy. But for someone like me who loves spicy food, it is lovely. Anyway, as I would always say, I always love the fact that you watch my videos. I always love the fact that you take your time to watch my videos. And if you are new to this channel, welcome. Thank you for watching my video to this point. If you're an ardent viewer of my videos, I can't love you less, because you support me with your views, and it just makes me feel like I'm doing something nice and worth the while. So yes, thank you for your continuous support. Thank you for continually viewing my videos. I can't ask for more, but thank you. Now, after all the sauces, after putting the sauce in a bowl, I'll simply cover the bowls, and then I can decide to freeze or put it in my refrigerator. But what I do is I freeze some and I put some in my refrigerator. Don't forget, good food should be enjoyed always.